Hi everyone, thanks for watching. I'm Alex, this is AMRC, and today I thought I'd give you a little hangar slash garage tour of my RCs. I know one of the viewers, subscribers on my channel, RC Planes, I'm gonna say hi to him. He suggested this a while ago. I just reorganized my RCs a few days ago, so I'll give you a quick peek. So down here I have my 3D printer, an Ender 3 V2. It's currently printing some parts for this guy. Let me know if you know what it is. One of my absolute favorite planes. Hope I'll have it ready soon. I've been 3D printing a lot. And here's actually my son's Absema monster truck. Has an issue with the steering. I'll have to look into that hopefully in the next few days. Also this E-Sheen hovercraft slash drone. He plays with it mostly. Also a toy like helicopter. It's not really anything worth showing. It's more a toy. In here under these, so I have another 3D printed plane I'm hoping I'll have ready soon. It's the Eclipson P51 Mustang. Really cool design. I hope I'll have it ready. I'm waiting actually for some parts today for both these 3D printed planes. In here is the flight test duster. That is also almost done. Just need some finishing touches on it, and I hope I'll have it in the air soon. Above this, another 3D printed plane that's basically ready. Just need to add some wheels to it. I was going to try and hand launch it, then I realized I suck at that and I really don't like doing it. So I'll be adding some wheels to it. Then I'll give it a shot. This already has the receiver in it. I was almost ready to fly it a few days ago, but when I did a test at home, the motor mount broke. So in the meantime, I bought some PETG filament that's supposed to be stronger, and I have that in there now for the motor mount. Hopefully I'll have this in the air soon. And behind that is my Hobbyking Durafly. That was actually my first RC plane ever, about 6 years ago. Now I haven't flown this in a really long time, but I'm planning on doing it real soon, just to see how it feels. Also have some plastic model kits in there. Ali said I'll get into that, but never really had the time. Building them isn't such a problem, but painting I'm not really good at. If I do them, I want to make them look nice. Up top I have some crawlers. It's my TRX4 with Chevy body. Really love this body, and the car is cool as well. Chassis. And here, this little guy, HPI, I don't know what this is, Q32 I think. It's a really cool truggy. Unfortunately it broke. I did some research. There's no issue with the electronic boards on this, and not much you can do to fix it, but I really like this. It's really fun for indoors, handles really good, and I might just look for another one for parts to fix it. And this is my son's Red Cat Gen 8 with the axial Cherokee body. And this, if you're wondering, is actually a model. It's supposed to be 1/8 scale. It's all die-cast metal. Actually comes as a kit in magazines. You get an issue with a few parts each week, and it's almost done. I still have this stack of magazines. I got them a few months ago. I have to do the finishing touches. This is not really RC related, but if you'd like to see more about this, it's an old Romanian off-roader. It was initially built in the 70s. If you'd like to see me finishing the build or more details about this, let me know and maybe I'll do a video. So as you can see, lots of unfinished projects here. But hopefully this spring I'll get most of them done. Now back to this side. Have different things and tools around here. Electronics, nothing really interesting. Down here is my DJI Mavic mini drone. Haven't used this in a while as well. My transmitter case. And now the fun stuff, the planes. The UMX A10. Great jet, my favorite so far. The UMX Twin Otter, another great one. The V-22 Osprey, I actually have another one of these. Still new in box, but it's up in the attic. I should probably bring that down. And the UMX MiG-15. This was my first jet. So really nice to fly once in a while. And down here, some more planes. The Champ ready to fly, the small yellow one. The UMX Timber X. The Ultrix. The UMX Turbo Timber. And here's the Champ S Plus. All really nice planes. Learned a lot about flying with all of these. Also adding lights, things like that. In here have my batteries, tools, glues, all kinds of stuff. And I also have in the attic my Freewing MiG-21. Still waiting on an afterburner for that. It's on the way from the US. I don't know, hopefully in the next few weeks I'll have it and probably start building that as well. Now that's a really big plane and really don't want to put that in my garage because it's dusty and nasty there. Hopefully my wife will let me hang it somewhere on the wall here. And I also have all of this that's currently free. I also have still a lot of RC cars, of racers and bashers. They're still currently in the attic, so I didn't really have space for them until now. But I think I'm gonna bring them down here, so they're more accessible. That way I'll probably use them more. Okay, now one last thing, let's go to the garage and show you my bigger planes. Okay, and here are the last 3 planes I'm going to show you today. My bigger ones that for now I keep in my garage. And I need to reorganize this space and have everything aligned neater. So this is the 1.1 meter T28, really nice. The Beast, the Knight Timber X. You may know I had a Durafly Tundra from Hobbyking, but I sold that a few months ago because with the Knight Timber X does everything that can do and a lot better. So I thought I'd sell the Tundra to fund other planes. And the E-flite F-15. Haven't flown this in a while. I still need to fix it. Last time I flew, I landed kind of bad and the nose is still broken. So hopefully I'll fix and fly this again soon, because I really enjoyed flying it. Just always struggled with the landing since it doesn't have rudders. It's hard for me to line it up. So let me know if you have any questions, guys, if you'd like to see anything else. You saw I have lots of unfinished projects. I like jumping into things, but then I don't have time to finish them. If you'd like to see anything in more detail, just leave me a comment and I'll do my best to share it more with you. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye.